Hi everyone, I'm Nina and this is the fourth part of my how to draw like Disney tutorials, and today we'll be drawing noses. This is a very simple step-by-step tutorial, so like this video if you think it's cool, subscribe to my channel to support it, and let's start the tutorial. Materials are pretty much the same, so I'm using an ordinary graphite pencil, I think it's 2B, and a black pencil to define the darkest areas. For the ones who haven't seen all the previous parts of these tutorials, I highly recommend you to do it, and for the ones who are watching it now, I'm reminding you that there are a lot more to come, because first of all we haven't finished the facial part, so we're going to draw a mouth and hair, then we're going to draw a male face, draw digitally, turn yourself and your friends into Disney characters, so don't miss anything. Guys, remember when we were drawing the eyes in my previous tutorial, I mentioned that Disney was heavily inspired by cats, and you can actually notice it by looking at the noses too, because they're very snub and small. So this is what you need to keep in mind when drawing. So how small or how big is it? Well, basically you need to put it between the eyes like I did it on the drawing, and I'm starting with drawing an oval. Then I'm drawing a curve in the middle of this oval. I'm doing it because we kind of need to show that the nose is snub, and right below this curve I'm drawing two nostrils. And the last step is to define the size of the nose, and here the oval is helping us. So I'm basically following the shape of this oval but making it a little bit more angular. Once again, to show that the nose is actually snub, I'm filling in the lower part of the nose just a little bit, but later when we're going to color this face, we're going to color this face, it's going to be its own tutorial. We're going to, well, you'll see what we're going to do, I'm not going to tell you. So right now with these guidelines and this huge eyes and tiny snub nose, you can really clearly see that Disney really was inspired by cats. I'm taking a black pencil and making the lines more visible, and we're moving to the side view. Sorry to interrupt, but if you enjoy watching this tutorial, please hit the like button because it will help my channel to grow. That's it. Enjoy watching it. By the way guys, I have an Insta profile where you can see all my drawings and projects, including Disney-like projects, so check it out, I think you'll like it. So the side view. I'm starting drawing a nose with an oval again, and this oval is kind of tilted. And the top of this oval is going to be the tip of the nose, and a lot depends on the inclination, on the tilt angle here. Because if you draw this oval completely vertical, the nose is going to be really snub, and if you draw it like if it's laying on the paper like horizontally, then the nose is not going to be snub at all. And by studying and observing all the Disney characters, or by studying other artists' works who draw in this style, you can decide for yourself how snub or how long you want it to be. Also, 2 tutorials back we were drawing heads, also from this side, so you kind of know where to put this nose. And I didn't draw like an entire head again because, well, you know how to do it, go back and watch it again if you forgot, right? And here I just drew a nostril following the shape of the oval on the bottom and an upper lip. I'm sure some of you will have problems with drawing the nose and lip area, but we'll talk more about it in the next tutorial, don't worry. And now let's draw a 3/4 nose. Start with an oval again and draw a curve in the middle of this oval. And then draw a tip of the nose on the left like I'm doing it right now. Basically, I'm following the shape of the oval, but I'm still making it pointy. And then draw a nostril. Everything is within this oval, so I don't think any of you will have any problems. Remember that noses are pretty small, so if you want to draw the bridge, you also need to make it pretty short. And I'm also filling in the bottom part of the nose to show that it's actually a little snub. And as usual in the end, I'm taking a black pencil to define the lines and to make everything look better. This is the end of my tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Your like and comment will help my channel to grow, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!